PSU, 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 PSU. This is the PS2, also known as the power supply unit. It's mounted just inside the back of the case. The power supply unit basically supplies a computer with power and is broken down into wattages. It is placed in the computer with a bunch of colored wires, as you see by Jordan's hand that he's unplugging right now. It changes AC current into DC current. To determine what wattage you get, you need to know how many volts and amps that you have. To get watts, you multiply volts by amps. If you have 5 volts and 5 amps, you would have 25 watts. The more memory you use up, the more wattage is required. You don't want to fill up the space that your computer has, or else it will crash because it won't get enough power for all the devices that require it. The bigger and faster the computer, the more wattages you'll need. What are the different plugs for, you ask? The different connectors are different things. The connectors also have different pins. Also, for the different connectors are used to power different parts of the computer. For example, the 20-pin Molex ATX power connector is used to power the motherboard in the ATX systems, if you know what that means. To take out the power supply unit, you need to unscrew it, take it out, and unplug the colored cords. It's easy as that. As you see Jordan doing here, he's plugging in the cords and we're trying to get a close-in view on it. The power supply unit is very important to the computer because without it, you would have no power. And those colored wires right there, send all the power to different parts of the computer. And that, folks, is the power supply unit.